was your day?
Hey, love. It was good. It was really fun. Hi, Walker.
Hi, Jen. Let me help.
Hi, Walker.
Hi, Amanda. Music.
I'm a running man, 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 I'm a running around my stake in the sand. Ariana Green, but the pure caffeine.
Hey buddy, what's up?
Okay, Loomo. Let's go.
What is this thing?
Any ideas? I'll be right back.
Cheer up, humans.
Pizza, Chinese.
Sorry, I'm vegan.
Watch this. 3, 2, 1.
Fancy a flyer?
Whoa.
You're welcome.
Okay, Loomo. Go.
Sir, yes, sir.
Answer the call.
Hi, honey.
Hi, Mom. How you doing?
Your father just won the bridge tournament. I'm so excited.
Oh, I'm happy to hear that. Hey, kids. Say hi to Grandma.
Hey, Grandma.
What did the 49ers do last night?
The 49ers beat the Raiders 23-11.
Yes! Order the cab.
A cab will be down in 5 minutes.
What's on my schedule? What's the weather today? Turn on the AC. Turn up the volume.
Imagine how it would feel like to be the center of your technology. Now, stop imagining.
Hello, my name is Temi.
Hey, Temi.
Hello, John.
Hey, Temi. Answer the call.
Hey, Temi, play some music.
Hey, Temi, make a video. Hey, Temi, order pizza.
Hey, save some for me.
Temi, the personal robot. You at the center. Fast-paced. Busy life. Lacking efficiency.
Where's the restaurant?
Where's the elevator?
It's over there. Like, walk there and you can find it.
Business challenges. Meet Cruzr, a cloud-based intelligent humanoid robot. It provides service applications for a variety of industries and domestic environments. Cruzr helps the way you conduct business. It reduces operation costs and provides more efficient service. At transportation hubs, Cruzr is an intelligent crew member. Using real-time 3D localization and mapping, with 6 major sensors, Cruzr can map a location in real time and guide passengers to their destination.
Flammable items and water are prohibited in carry-on luggage.
Hi, Cruzr. What is the status of flight CA-186?
Flight is on time. The boarding gate has been changed to gate 22.
Oh, really? Thank you so much.
Have a safe trip.
At banks, Cruzr is an intelligent lobby manager.
Hi, Cruzr. Can I speak with my financial manager?
Yes, you're being transferred now.
Hello, sir. What can I help you with?
Cruzr, please connect me to the financial report meeting.
No problem. Connecting you now.
Cruzr supports multi-site video conferencing. It makes you feel like you are physically there. Cruzr uses a high-level data encryption, ensuring your business information is securely transmitted. At exhibitions, Cruzr is an intelligent and informative guide.
Let's take a look at the detail on this artwork.
With multimodal interaction, Cruzr's interactions feel more fluid and human-like.
Let's move on.
At shopping malls, Cruzr is an intelligent shopping guide and entertainer.
Hi, would you like to get discounts for clothing, cosmetics, or foods?
Oh, sure. Do you have any coupons for cosmetics?
Come over and scan this QR code.
Cruzr offers end-to-end value chain management services for data, in terms of data acquisition, storage, and analysis. At automobile dealerships, Cruzr is an intelligent sales representative. Cruzr uses facial recognition to identify a user's age and gender. It then uses that data to pull up user information.
Hey, sir. I'd like to recommend our new sports car for you. This way, please.
At corporations, Cruzr is an intelligent receptionist.
Hi, Jeff. Your visitor's badge is printed. Jesse is waiting for you. Please follow me.
With one command, you can make multiple Cruzrs monitor and patrol simultaneously. Cruzr supports 24-hour standby and 8 hours of continuous use. It will automatically return to its self-charging dock when the battery is low. With the Open API, Cruzr can be customized to intelligently serve in various scenarios, to reduce operating costs and to improve service quality. Intelligent service, without limits.
I think I'm falling for you.